Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying the remote machine is powered, online, and configured to accept remote desktop. Once done, grab the IP or hostname and the account credentials you will use. Open your remote desktop client and paste the address. Make sure to select the correct user and any local resources you want to forward, like drives or clipboard. This gets you into the initial handshake, so authentication and connectivity can proceed without delay. You now authenticate. Enter username and password and respond to certificate warnings by verifying the fingerprint. Then configure session options, for example, set resolution and color depth for performance, redirect printers or drives if needed, and choose whether to share audio. If the host is behind a corporate network, make sure you have VPN connected or specify the remote desktop gateway server. This ensures the session routes through allowed paths and avoids blocked ports or dropped connections during the active session. You control the remote PC as if you were there. Use secure sign-out options like Control+Alt+End or the client's disconnect to avoid leaving sessions open. When finished, close the session cleanly so programs and resources remain stable. If you encounter problems, first confirm network reachability, firewall and port, typically 3389, settings, VPN or gateway status, and credentials. Then review the client logs. If necessary, restart the remote machine or client and try again, which often clears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.